Hello guys, and welcome to today's video where I look at question 10 on the AQA Foundation Tier Paper 3 June 2017 paper. Right guys, this video was recorded on Saturday the 30th of October 2020. Right guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Abdallah Wahishi and I'm a recently qualified maths teacher for secondary and primary. I make videos ranging from Key Stage 1 right up until Key Stage 5 maths and further maths. Okay, I'm currently doing the walkthroughs to the AQA, EdExcel and OCR GCSE Foundation Higher Tier papers for any students sitting exams this November 2020. Okay, if you found this video useful guys, please do drop the video a like, subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification next to the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Right guys, this is question number 10. So it says each shape below has an area of 24 centimeters squared. Complete the missing lengths. So we've got a missing width for the rectangle and we've got a missing base for the triangle. Okay, so a missing width for the rectangle and then a missing base for the triangle. Okay, now let's just start off firstly with the rectangle. The area of a rectangle is length times width. So it's 6 times something equals 24. So 6 times x is 24. So I've called this x. So 6x equals 24. Dividing both sides by 6, x equals 4, because the opposite of times and by 6 is to divide by 6. So x equals 4. So the width of that rectangle is 4 centimeters. And then similarly for the triangle, well, the area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2. So it's base, which we don't know, times 16 divided by 2 has to equal to 24. Well, on the left-hand side, 16b over 2 is 8b. 8b is equal to 24. Therefore, b must equal to 3 centimeters because the opposite of times in by 8 is to divide by 8. So dividing both sides by 8, and I get b is equal to 3. So that is my answer for question number 10, guys. Okay, so guys, I hope it made sense. Any questions or any comments or any queries, then drop them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do check out Corbett Maths, Maths Genie, and the GCSE Maths Tutor on YouTube. So they are all very useful, particularly Corbett Maths, okay, for GCSE level maths. And I will see you soon.